We have a big announcement
Coming right up. Is that what I was supposed to say?
That's it.
That's it. Coming right up.
What she said. Hey there, chickadee. How you doing today? Welcome to Two Real Chicks. I'm your real chick, Carla.
I'm Cindy.
And we are so glad that you are here with us today because we have a huge announcement. Do you want to do the honors?
I want you to do the honors.
She wants me to make her announcement.
Yes, please.
Okay. Here is the announcement, and we promise that the title was not clickbait. I don't know that I can do this and not cry. Cindy is leaving the channel.
I'm sorry. My life has just taken a different direction. I can't squeeze it in.
But her life has taken a very good direction. You're pursuing your studies.
Yes, I am. I am pursuing the studies at Reiki. I am a Reiki master, however. I want to go back and relearn some things that I might have skimmed over trying to get that certificate.
So she is pursuing her studies to awaken her spiritual enlightenment, if you will, and to be able to help other people and be able to help others find their way.
Right, exactly.
So, the truth is that this is the last Two Real Chicks video, although you will be back from time to time.
Yes, I will. I will make a concerted effort to be there.
So from time to time she'll pop in, we may do shopping trips together, we may do some reviews, but she will no longer be a regular part of this channel. I'm gonna cry. That's okay. But the channel will remain, but the name is going to change to Real Chicks TV. So after this video, you will see Real Chicks TV on all of our social media. It will be the name of this channel, and as soon as I figure out how to change our name on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, Real Chicks TV will be the name of all of our social media, including the YouTube channel. I keep saying our. I have a hard time saying my. But I will still be here. So it's going to be you and me on a regular basis, and I am going to do my best to upload twice a week. And I am aiming for Tuesdays and Fridays. So welcome to what's going to become Real Chicks TV. We will always be your real chicks. We will always appreciate and love you. We will always thank you for being with us. We are coming up on our 2-year anniversary, and it's been a great ride, hasn't it?
It has been amazing. Learned so much.
We really have learned a great deal from you, and we appreciate you. So this is a quick, short video to let you know that there is not only a channel update, but a channel change and a life update as well. Yes, ma'am. Any final words? And just because somebody's going to ask, we are still BFFs.
Yes.
We will be BFFs until we are either in the nursing home together or until Thelma and Louise ride off that cliff together. One or the other.
One of the two.
So we are still BFFs, and we thank you again for all the love and support that you've given both of us, particularly Cindy over these last 6 months, because it's been a tough 6 months for you.
2018 sucks. It just sucks.
So here's to a better year for Cindy, here's to a successful year for Real Chicks TV, and here's to a successful year for you, and many thanks. We love you, and we'll see you on the flip side next time with See, I did it. We'll see you on the flip side next time on Real Chicks TV. Bye!